Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Note 13, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to just click on this icon right here, and here we can add new shortcuts and remove actual. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.